Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. This one's similar to one that we did a few days ago, and the idea is to select a partner, so an element of nature. So this could be leaves being blown across the ground, a bird flying in and out of the bush where the nest is, the trees moving in the breeze, the raindrops falling in the puddle, really almost anything, something natural world. And ideally, we'd like to have this with an effect that's going to be a bit persistent so that while you practice, the effect remains rather than just your concept and memory of it. So if it's just a passing bird, kind of hard to do that. But if you know the nest, the bird is going in and out of the nest, that might work. Or it's hanging out singing, that might work. Or if it's, raining into the puddle for a little while, that might work. But probably not something very passing and ephemeral. But at any rate, the idea is to adopt that expression of the Tao, that circumstance, that energy, as the teacher. And in your practice, follow what they are doing. But attempt to maintain your own principles of Tàijíquán, whatever you understand them to be. And where they vary, it's a really helpful question to say, well, how can my principles vary from what I see? So perhaps the Tao is wrong. Perhaps I'm not perceiving everything that's happening. Perhaps I'm misunderstanding or misremembering the principles or have a poor teacher. Who knows? But the idea is to sincerely adopt that natural expression as your teacher and practice. So enjoy that. I find it really, really fun. And while you're at it, pick up a new student, pass this art on. It needs you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.